In this lesson, we're going to be talking about deleting users. Of course, at some point, you may run across a situation where an employee has left or you've created an account for a friend on your own personal system. You want to get rid of the user. Well, fortunately, there's a command for that, and the command is userdel. We're going to use userdel, and you can see it's userdel, any options that we may have, and then login. In order to do this, we're going to not only remove the user, but we may also want to remove the home directory. So not only do they not have access any longer, but any files that may have been on the system that they put there will also be removed. Now, I could simply do userdel, and I'm going to get rid of me, which is the user that we created. It's the only user that I can actually get rid of and still have the system be usable. I could do userdel me, and that's just going to delete the user. That means the user can't log on anymore. If I were to do userdel me, I'm not going to get rid of the home directory. If I do ls home, you can see me there. So if all I were to do were this command, I'm not going to get rid of the home directory. I could, though, do userdel -r me, and that's the one I'm going to do. And we'll just take a look at the password file. Me is no longer there. You can see my user down here, and there's nothing below it, which is where me was previously. If I were to do cat etsy shadow, I would have the same situation here. So I've got a case where I've lost the user. It's no longer in the password or shadow file. The thing that we want to make sure of, though, is has the directory been deleted? And sure enough, the directory's now been deleted. In fact, the group has also been deleted. There was previously a group 501 for the group me that was created for that user. So now there are no traces of this user anywhere on the system. The user's gone, the group is gone, the directory is all gone. The user no longer has any access to the system, and all of the files that were once there are now gone as well. That's how you would go about deleting users. The best way to delete users is to use the userdel command.